this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import trades in Stonk Journal. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Stonk Journal like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go over to the menu and click New Trade. Then this page should be popping up where you'll see New Trade and General and Journal. And I'll showcase what both of them are in just a second. Then from here, you need to change the market from either stock, option, crypto, futures, forex, or index. For this tutorial, I'm just going to choose stock, but this will work either way with all of these options. Then from here, you need to change in the symbol. I'm just going to click O for this example. Then you can add in a target and a stop loss. Then from here down here, you can add in the action, whether or not you sell or buy the specific stock. And you can add a time and date over here by clicking on this calendar over here. Then from here, you will need to add in the quantity and the price that you gave for this specific stock. You can also add a fee if you want to do that. If you want to add more actions, you can click on this icon over here, where you can say that you either bought or sold these 10 O stocks. To delete it, you simply need to click this red icon over here, this X. Then from here, you need to go up to Journal. And here you can add specific tags for this specific trade. And here you can add in your notes for what you thought about this new trade or anything else that you want to add. Then you can add the confidence meter. I can change how confident you are in this trade. And you can upload screenshots over here. Then from here, you simply need to click Save, and then it will be saved onto your dashboard right here. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!